friends, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to attempt to speak even though my voice is not 100% as y'all well know. And today we are doing a craft with me video because it's my son's birthday, and as some of you know, he does have autism, and even though he's in his 20s, there are some things that he regresses to. So he is a gamer, he loves games, he is a nerd at heart. I mean, he just loves Godzilla and trains and all sorts of stuff that all happy nerds love. So I decided to make him a birthday card to go with his gifts, and what you see me now doing is I printed out one of my paper collections. I believe it's from Electric Youth, because he just loves the color yellow and gold. He's loved that color since he was a baby, really. And so right now what I'm doing is I'm trying to pair it up with something, and then I decided to just go with a plain gold ribbon for the card. This is a really easy card to make. It's an A2 size card. I had previously cut the cardstock to A2 size. I have a box full of A2 size plain cards for my projects, and so that I can make a card like this one, like this birthday card, on a whim. So as far as the measurements for the plaid paper, it was just kind of like I'm measuring, something quick, something that's not going to take a long time. And I used double-sided tape to adhere the ribbon, and I also used the same double-sided tape to adhere the ribbon on the back. And I don't like to use glue in making my cards because in time they tend to warp, and I guess it's because of the environment. I am in Texas and in Houston actually, which is very warm in the summertime and very humid, even though we do keep the AC on 24/7. I don't know, if I use glue, my cards warp, so that's why I use double-sided tape. So I went to Hobby Lobby this weekend and their stamps were on sale, so I decided to go ahead and get this gamer type stickers, because I was actually looking for Godzilla. They had absolutely nothing that was Godzilla related. So since he is a gamer, I went ahead and got him this. It's kind of like a little bit infantile or teenager, but I think it'll slide, And there I am cutting some sentiments from my sentiment collection that you're going to find online, and actually at decorateyourlife.com, and I do believe I have it up on my Etsy as well, but some of the things expire and I just don't have the time to renew and so forth. So anyways, I went ahead and I trimmed that piece of happy birthday. I turned it into a banner, and now I'm going to go ahead and use these squares, double-sided squares from Hobby Lobby, and I just go ahead and put that on the top of the card, but I needed something else to balance it out with, and you're going to see me kind of playing around with it. And even though this video is going fast, it's about 5.5 or 5.25 minutes long, this card actually took me 10 minutes, from cover to cover. But like I mentioned before, I had the cardstock, the shape of the card already pre-cut, because I do that for design teams and whatnot. So with stickers and everything, it was just so quick. I have printers here that print out my paper collections in seconds now instead of minutes, and so it was pretty quick. So I was very happy, very satisfied with the card, and I'm so glad that I had the camera rolling, because I just want to share with you how quickly you can make a card for boys or a card for young men in just a few minutes. And just by using your stash, look around your stash. You don't necessarily have to spend $20 to make a card or anything like that, and use whatever crafting tools you have on hand. I highly encourage you. And and what what I love about digital prints is that they don't take up space, not unless you want to print 100 of them or something and put them up on your shelves. I just have an external drive. I have a few external drives now in which I keep my collections, and whenever I need them, boom, pop them out, I print them, and I'm done. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you once again real soon. Links in the description area below. Thank you. Bye now.